Hello, assalamualaikum, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm very excited. I finally got my MAC holiday collection, holiday makeup collection box. Okay, I ordered it online and I received it today, and I know what I ordered, but I'm so excited to see in real, in person, because it's been a while I didn't go to the store because you can't swatch it, you can't touch it, so it's better just order online and stay home, you know what I mean. So that's what I did. So अभी मैं इसको open करूँगी. I got this box just today, so the box isn't really flattering, not attractive, but stuff inside I'm hoping it's not going to disappoint me. So okay, it comes out with this paper. Then we got this this holiday collection called, I think, Fireworks. Is Flashing Eyes Extra Dimension Skin Finish Trio Medium Deep, and it has 3 beautiful shades in here. Okay, I am obsessed with MAC cosmetic. Like, I love MAC lipsticks. I wonder, like, I never made any video dedicated to MAC lipsticks. I have a lot of them, so I will make a swatch video one day, inshallah. So abhi ke liye I'm going to show you what I got. Or it's very beautiful, like, you know, the glittery look. It's pretty. I want to keep this thing to decorate, I don't know. So oh, this is what we got. It's very beautiful. Fireworks. It covers with the plastic, this metal. You'll leave it on. So it's like very pretty velvety material, like a fabric. It's beautiful silver grayish, my favorite. And oh my goodness, I'm wearing the same shirt. Okay, it's not, I didn't do it. Like, I had no idea it's going to be silver. I didn't notice that, and I'm wearing the same shirt. Why, look at this, a reference. Yeah, so I got this, and it has a mirror on this side, and look at this beautiful shades right here. Beautiful golden, rose gold, and pink. I mean, it's perfect. It's a perfect trio, no doubt. It's gorgeous. So this one is a little, like, it's not rose gold, it's like a bronzy type, gold and bronze mix, but this is actually a golden shade. Oh gosh, I'm loving it. It's so beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay, what this, yeah, okay, it's the Gold Me Closer, Desire Fire, Call Me Sugar Plum. Yeah, they gave them perfect names. So yeah. Okay, I'm so excited to swatch them. Let's swatch them. Oh, I need to grab some makeup wipes. Okay, I got makeup wipes. So before we do, they're gorgeous. Let's swatch them. So first I'm going to swatch this golden right here. It's perfect. Then this bronzy. Wow, that was something. This one. And this plum. It's gorgeous. Wow, it's wonderful. Oh god. Okay, these are the shades right here after swatching. They are beautiful. Okay, so yeah, I'm very excited to apply them, especially these glitter ones. I love highlighters, and it's going to look so perfect for my brown skin. I mean, like, it is gorgeous. So I'm very happy with this first product. Yeah, so then we have let me just wipe off this. I loved the last collection in 2019. It was lipstick packaging. It's beautiful. I wonder like how can we can make a swatch video, like you know we can um नहीं बताऊंगी नहीं बताऊंगी. You're gonna watch this video, okay, and then just subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any other videos, and next video it's a surprise. So yeah, then I have okay, this one is pinky, that is green, gray, I don't know why. So it's dark spark bitter in glitter. It's an eye pencil. So pretty. Okay, this is very beautiful, sparkly pink. Okay, this one is here is black, and this is a plum shade. It's dark sparkle. What is the shade now? I don't have a shade name here. So I'm going to just swatch them here. How do you open it? Can I open it? Oh, okay. So this one right here is black, of course, and this right here is plum. It's the shade which I think this is a signature shade for this collection. So it's very beautiful. I am excited to apply this on my eyes, especially plum, because it's a new color. So I will try this. Let me clean my hands. Yallah, itni अच्छे lip shades है ना कि like. Okay, so next thing I have, I ordered 2 full-size lipsticks, or it's Out with a Bang and Snow Filter. Yeah, so Out with a Bang. Uh, guys, come on. What is this? It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. Why MAC do this every year? You made me buy your collection, and I'm like, it's beautiful plum color. I mean, yeah, this is their signature shade for this collection. I mean, look at this goodness. It looks so good. Let's swatch it. Let's swatch it on my lips. Okay, मुझसे रहा नहीं जाएगा, so gotta just swatch it. Okay. Wow. It's a very beautiful sheer lipstick. It looks darker in real, but on my lips it's so moisturizing. Hydration, oh my goodness. It's so smooth. It's beautiful. I feel so good. I actually like it. I mean, this lipstick, it looks really bright plum. But after applying, what do you say? It is beautiful, right? It's gorgeous. So yeah, for sure I'm gonna apply this color. It's beautiful for fall and then winter, and yes. So the next color we have here, I ordered only 2 full-size lipsticks because I just didn't feel like buying the rest. So okay, I'm not a fan of bright colors, bold colors, but okay. Okay, let's just swatch it as well. dries out my lips, and then I'm going to apply this, and the shade is what? Snow Filter. I love the name. Name is actually beautiful. What? Can you see? I mean, it looks so bright and bold in like in the bullet, lipstick bullet, and when I apply this, they are so sheer, smooth, hydrating, and oh gosh, it's like a lip balm. It's so perfect for winters. I mean, like you are wearing a bold, bright color, and you're getting full hydration, moisturizing your lips, and like everything. This lipstick is so perfect. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. I'm not going to take it off. Yeah, I'll apply more. Oh gosh. Okay, I love this color. Okay. MAC never disappoints me. So yeah, this is what we ordered. And then, what is this? I ordered this beautiful looking box of lipstick right here. I mean, isn't it something gorgeous for winter? So yeah, I'm going to open this. I am so excited. I might don't swatch them today, or we will swatch them in a different video. You know what I mean. I'm not trying to be mean. Making a separate video will help me to at least understand the shades, because I already applied 2 lipsticks, so I know these are perfect. They are so beautiful, gorgeous shades and perfect formula. And so this is the box. It's very pretty plastic base. It's like a velvet feel to it. That's what you get. It's beautiful. Yes, it is beautiful. It's gorgeous. MAC, every year they create something new, something exciting, something beautiful. And yeah, so yeah, okay, I'm not going to swatch them, and I will make a separate video on these lipsticks. I will swatch them on my lips and we'll see the difference. And I hope you liked today's video, and please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and show your support, because I really need your support to grow my channel. So आज के लिए बस इतना ही. तो अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, और I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.